Hi everyone, I'm back, and for today's video I will be reacting to Xavier's 5-star uh, memory the kindled versions of Nightfall, Mooncurse, and Nightfall Requiem. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. Is it too bright? Again, it's so bright. Sorry. Don't. My phone is lagging again. Okay, let's go. Ah, my phone is lagging. I hate it.
Get on.
Oh, I'm so sorry. My phone is lagging.
We meet again.
He's so hot.
Hold tight.
The sword is so huge. Is this the wanderer that becomes a fidget spinner? I hate that. Guys, don't mind my nails. Yeah, it's fading. The colors are fading. Okay, it's not lagging anymore. Okay. Wait, he's handsome. He's handsome. Wait, let me take a picture. Wow. It's lagging again. Oh, it's so ethereal. Earlier you mentioned the price of wait! Pursuing eternity. What were you referring to?
The dead are trapped in a perpetual cycle. Only painful deaths await them. Leave while you still can, or you'll meet the same fate.
Yeah, I saw it. I died in the end.
In a rush?
Did you tell me to leave while I still can?
I said leave. Not die.
But I did!
This land only cares about you walking into its trap.
They said the fate of the city is in my hands. I'm the chosen one. It's also my weapon against you.
You said their fate is in your hands.
I have to take a picture of this.
However, you're still in my hands. Is this form of etiquette sufficiently respectful toward the chosen one?
Dismount. Come on, girl.
I told you this place is fraught with danger. You need to be cautious.
Put me down. Yes, of course, my people's intentions can be just as... What? So you've never heard of was
I've heard
prophecy?
more last words.
Such as?
Excuses from the greedy. The pleas of those on death's doorstep. Confessions of hypocrites.
Ah, MC is so pretty.
They are
This
but vanquished foes.
sword is so... That's a claymore, right? There's... You shall never... What is happening? Go Xavier, go kill him.
Is that so?
Oh!
May your last words come to fruition.
Okay, I need to continue that. Anyways, when I first saw the trailer, actually, the first thing that came into my mind was, it looks like those, fantasy animes, and especially Final Fantasy. And then I went to Twitter, and everyone's saying it's like Final Fantasy. So, okay, guys, the next one will be Nightfall Requiem. So this is the card where I die, right? Oh, this is so beautiful.
You said my shoulder was cold and a hard pillow, and yet you slept for so long. Do you like this one?
Take. I do like it, but I got. You have a unique way of
You
showing.
have a unique way of showing affection.
Xavier's voice is much deeper in this. Wait, I didn't read it, sorry. I'm just testing how it feels in the moment. Oh, it's so cute. There's so many theories saying that MC was pregnant because of the wooden sword, because it's small. Like, what if it's for the baby? Oh no, it's so tragic if it's true. Unkind.
It needs time to adjust to its new master. It managed to strike the crown, has good durability, and is good as a sword.
The sword is well made, but the storm has passed in this world filled with sunlight and flower fields.
We don't need it. Looks like you've been enchanted. You miss it already?
This what? Okay, are they gonna kiss? My
My
hand
hand
would
would
look
look
weird.
weird if it's not holding a sword. But now, you gave me the best answer. The sunlight and
Cute!
flowers are too peaceful. We could use a lively friend.
If we want have one bird, it might... Wait, that was fast. It might fly away when it's too energetic. Oh, cute! That's a nice kiss.
Once they're used to caring for each other, they'll never be apart.
Okay, I need to take a picture of that. If only there's a savior in my life. No, is this where the transition happens? Oh, no, 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 that's Infold Y. Infold Y. I'm having flashbacks. Your face is so cold.
The sun is coming out. We won't be cold for much longer. We'll always be together.
Oh, wait, so they both died in the end. It's not just MC. Am I right? I really need to continue this. So that's it, guys, for this video. See you guys on my next videos, and thank you guys for watching, and yeah, thank you. Take care.